Alright, so it's the 16th of the 6th, it's the day after I've got the shed cleared out, canopy tops on the canopy, so my job is basically paint it tonight. I'm gonna put the latches on for the roof, so these are going to go, I'll try to do this one-handed. Basically this latch is gonna go there facing down, and this is gonna go there. So I'm yet to see if these will weld, but then that'll be able to latch it down, and then I just need to take the top off, cut that to size, silicone and screws, and then I am basically done. So yeah. Alright, so I've just finished welding on all of the little clamps, so they're here basically off. It's still kind of hot. And then obviously back on. So there's 4 of them, so they're at an angle so that they pull down and in so that the sides level up and it keeps it under tension. There's that one over there, and then another one there. I'm about to head up for dinner, then when I get back I'm gonna spray paint it and then silicone and put the roof down when that's dry. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow, not too sure, so yeah.
Alright, sound weird again because I've got the respirator on. So just patched up basically because I ran out of galv last night as well. Basically I've done, and also because I had to weld all of these little hooks on. So I've just put galv on for that. I'm gonna in a second paint it black basically. So yeah, that's pretty much all. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do tonight. And then tomorrow, I think I'm not gonna do it tonight. I'm gonna silicone the top of that and then put this on it. So yeah.
Alright, so it's 16th of the 6th still. I've just painted or done my second coat kind of this, and I'm gonna go up and let it dry, and then tomorrow I'm gonna come down and finish it, as well as put that roof on hopefully. I'm heading up for the night, so yeah, that's all we've done tonight. See you guys tomorrow.